In this video, we are going to look at a Paragon type MLS, which an example of which I've got pulled up here. We're going to look at editing the preferences so that when you export charts, it's exporting all of the data that Listing Charts needs. So we're at the home screen right now. We are going to head to Preferences, which is over here. We're going to go to System Preferences. So here, there are several options here. We're going to go first to Report Views is our first stop, and we're going to click Spreadsheet. So here you've got a bunch of default spreadsheets. We're going to start editing one of them. You can pick any one. I'll do one of these just random defined ones that haven't been named yet. MLS defined spreadsheet 3. You should pick one that you are currently not using. So here I'm going to do a couple of things. One, I want to rename it and call it Listing Charts. And it gives you options of which data do you want to select for this type of report. For Listing Charts, we want all of the data to export for Listing Charts. So what you're going to do is you're going to click through these, and unfortunately it's one by one in this program, and you're going to click them and then click Add. And this might take a while. Okay, so we did it. Now we're going to hit Save. And now you'll see Listing Charts now as one of our Report View spreadsheets. Lastly, we're going to go to System Preferences over here, click Result Options. In our default search result, you can set it to anything you want. For this demonstration, we're going to set the default to Listing Charts. And then we're going to hit Save. And now anytime you do a search in this MLS, your default search result will be Listing Charts, and that'll be an easy export for Listing Charts.